Hello, I am S.M. Paranspe, Head Department of English, C.B. Khedgi College, Akkalkot. So, we are thinking about the all closed word classes. We have seen in the last videos determiners and pronouns. We shall continue with the prepositions. Prepositions come at the beginning of prepositional phrases. Prepositions are always followed by a noun or noun phrase or a pronoun, and they express the relation of position, place, time, direction, duration, etc. etc. For example, of the girl. Of the girl. Here we see that there is a possession of the girl. At night, which is expressing time. In the forest, it is related to the place. Into the lake, related to the direction. For a month, it is about duration. The list of prepositions we shall see now. I shall tell you one by one. Very slowly the prepositions keep in your mind. Prepositions are very important because students do confusion while using the prepositions in their writing or in their speech. Even in competitive exams, there is a question on prepositions. If you are clear cut about its meaning, you can use them very correctly. Now see, I shall tell you the list of the prepositions. Above, about, after, against, along, alongside, amid, among, around, as, at, before, behind, beneath, below, besides, between, beyond, by, despite, down, during, from, for, in, inside, into, of, OFF, OF of, on, opposite, outside, over, past, round, since, then, through, throughout, till, to, towards, toward, under, underneath, until, up, via, with, within, and without. In the alphabetical order, we have seen these prepositions. All the list is mentioned, no new preposition will be added in it. We must be very careful about prepositions and adverbs because there is a large overlapping between prepositions and adverbs. When the word refers to the place, duration or direction, it is an adverb. And when it is part of prepositional phrase, it is a preposition. For example, she looked up the sky. Now see, she is a subject. Looked is the predicator. Up the sky. Now up is what? It is a part of the NP. Begins with preposition. So up is preposition. In the second example, see, she looked up. Now she is subject, Looked is predicator and up is a direction which is adverb. So make clear, keep in your mind that which is preposition and which is adverb. The second example, see, he walked in. Now he is subject, walked is predicator, in is adverb. And he is in the classroom. He subject is predicator, in the classroom. Now in is what? The part of the NP, prepositional phrase, and therefore it is a preposition. So with the help of these prepositions you can make your sentences more and more meaningful, and you can express your thoughts clearly. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.